Good morning! Today is one of the most exciting days ever. I can't even believe I'm about to tell you this, but I am working with Marvel in New York City today. Like, I can't. I could cry just thinking about it. If you know me, you know how much I love Marvel movies, but I will still recap it for you anyways. I became addicted to Marvel when I was 13 years old. I took a pop culture class when I was in high school, and one of our assignments was that every month we could pick any movie that we wanted and we had to write an essay about it. I didn't really know which movie to watch, so I was asking my family for suggestions, and my brother said, "Why don't we watch The Avengers together?" And I was like, okay, we'll give it a try, sounds cool. I literally was obsessed. Like, I have been the biggest Marvel fan since. I can't even believe today is happening. I want to show you guys my outfit. So it's raining and the event is outside, completely uncovered, so I'm a little bit worried. That's why I haven't brushed out these curls, by the way. I think they're just gonna poof up anyways. But of course I have my Marvel crossbody lounge fly. So I'm gonna wear it like this, or maybe even across, so that way it kind of shows the logo. And then since it is raining, I also have this kind of like windbreaker rain jacket. That way at least I have a hood. Pretty much what's going on is it is Comic-Con week, one of my favorite weeks of the year. And in honor of the convention, Marvel is doing a Super Scoops ice cream truck that is going to go around the city. It's going to offer Marvel-themed sweet treats. So every single location is a different character. So they're opening it up to just creators first this morning in Queens, and it is going to be all Spider-Man treats. So here's the fit. I can put my hood up if it rains. I have my Marvel bag. And we're gonna have some Marvel sweet treats. I'm so excited. Like, I know I already said this. I truly cannot believe this is happening. I am like the biggest Marvel fan ever. I am so excited, if I haven't said that already. So I will just see you there.
I just got to Queens. It's a little bit rainy, but at least it's not pouring. And I am trying to find exactly where it is. I'm pretty sure it's just a few steps down here, so we'll see.
Product of the 90s.
I just got back. It was so much fun. When you stop by, you'll also get one of these really fun bags. There's really cute goodies in here. Again, today everything was themed to Spider-Man, so we have some fun toys and comic books and other things.
My phone kept falling, so new location unlocked. As I was saying, thank you so much to Marvel for having me. It was such a fun day. And if you're here in New York, be sure to check out the Super Scoops ice cream truck going all around the city. There is, I believe, a stop or two right next to the Javits Center, so if you are planning on attending the con, it is the perfect spot. Very excited. It will be my second year in a row at the convention, and I cannot wait to see what is in store. Every ice cream was so elaborate. I got a chocolate cookies and cream flavor, It was themed to Thor, so it had a chocolate covered marshmallow with a chocolate covered pretzel attached to it, and it looked like his hammer. There was even an ice cream that was themed to Spider-Man, and it looked like a hot dog. It was very cool. That is all for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you to Marvel for having me.